Imagine standing on the edge of a city you know well, only you're seeing it from a boat because half of it is underwater. Streets, parks, landmarks, submerged. The coastlines around the world have been completely redrawn. This isn't a distant sci-fi scenario, it's a possible future if the polar ice caps were to melt completely. But what would that mean for life on Earth? What exactly would happen if both the Arctic and Antarctic ice caps melted? Right now, the polar regions store over 60% of Earth's freshwater in their ice. If all of it melted, global sea levels would rise by an estimated 70 meters, around 230 feet. Cities we know today, New York, London, Shanghai, Mumbai, would vanish beneath the waves. Billions of people living in coastal areas would be forced to move inland, dramatically altering the world's geography and economies. But the impact doesn't stop at rising seas. The polar ice caps are crucial for regulating Earth's temperature. They reflect solar radiation, helping keep our planet cooler. Without them, Earth would absorb far more heat, creating a feedback loop that accelerates global warming even further. This could lead to more extreme weather, from intense heat waves to violent storms and droughts, which would affect food production and freshwater availability worldwide. The loss of ice would also devastate ecosystems. The Arctic and Antarctic are home to species uniquely adapted to icy waters: polar bears, seals, fish, and algae. Without stable ice, these species would face extinction. Animals that rely on ice for hunting, breeding, and shelter would have nowhere to go. While this may sound far-fetched, it's already happening. Climate scientists report a steady decline in polar ice. The Arctic is melting faster than ever, shrinking by about 13% per decade. If this trend continues, the Arctic Ocean could be ice-free in summer within a few decades. Even though Antarctic ice is more resilient, small losses there still contribute to rising sea levels. But there is hope. Scientists, activists, and world leaders are working to reduce carbon emissions and slow global warming. Every action, no matter how small, helps preserve the polar ice caps. Can we reverse polar ice cap melting, or is it too late? What's the future if we don't act? Share your thoughts below. Subscribe for more from the universe, exploring the unknown and beyond.